Hello class, today we're doing lesson 1, so in your packets you'll need to find the corresponding papers to work on. We're starting with a couple of reviews from last week with money, and then we'll watch a short video, and then we'll go through the lesson together. So for right now, it says count to find the value of the coins. Circle the combinations that equal $1. So take a look at these 4 options and decide which ones equal $1. Go ahead and pause the video to find your answers, and then go ahead and click play and we'll work through them. So here's the answers. Number 1 and number 4 are both $1. Number 2 was 80 cents and number 3 is 53 cents. So for this question, Joy has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, and 3 nickels. She wants to buy a bag of popcorn for $1. How much more money does she need? This is a 2-part problem. First, we're going to have to figure out how much money she has, and then we have to figure out how much she still needs if her popcorn costs $1. So go ahead and pause and figure that out real quick. To figure it out, we're going to add up how much money she has. So 2 dimes is 20 cents. 1 quarter is 25 cents. And 3 nickels is 15 cents. If I add all of those together, 5 plus 5 is 10. I regroup. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 and 6. So she has 60 cents. Now I can take that and think about how much more she's going to need to get to $1. So $1 is 100 cents. And I can take away 60 cents. Now if I know my rainbow connection between 10 and 6, the other end of the rainbow is 4. So she still needs 40 cents in order to buy her popcorn. So our question is, how can you organize data using tally marks? We're going to go ahead and watch that short video now, and then we will talk about tally marks a little more.
Take a survey. Main idea. I will take a survey using tally marks. When you take a survey, you ask a question. Use tally marks to record the answers or data. Data is information. Steps for conducting a survey. 1. Write a question. 2. Ask your question. What is your favorite type of book? 3. Record each person's answer with a tally mark. 4. Count the number of tally marks.
So that's how we take a survey. So we're going to use organize our data, that's our information, with tally marks. Let's look how we do that. So I asked 15 other teachers, because I didn't have any students, what their favorite wildcats were. And as I asked each person, I make a little mark for a tally mark. So I asked, and I got 5. We'll go across diagonally for the 5th one. And 8 people who told me that they like tigers the best. And for lions, 2 people told me they liked lions best. For cougars, also had 2 people who told me they liked cougars best. And leopards, there were 3 people who liked leopards best. So I can use tally marks to show how many people answer each one. And because I was asking each one at a time, I would mark down their tally marks. And when I got to 15, then I go and answer the totals. So let's look at this on your paper. I'm going to skip through these ones. So this should be the first page that you have. What is your favorite fruit? And yours has a nice orange on it. So I don't have fruit, but I do have some Fruit Loops that I'm going to use. I'm going to pull out a color of Fruit Loop to mark off my things. So apples are going to be red, orange is orange, and grape is purple. So I'm going to pull out, and I got an orange. So first thing I will do, and you're going to do this along with me on yours, is to make a tally mark for orange. It's not marking for some reason. One I pulled out is an apple. That's 2. Another apple. And another orange. A grape. No, it's not wanting to draw. Another orange. Grape. Those ones for some reason don't like to go long. Oh, unless if it likes to go over there. Technical difficulties. Another orange. There's the other orange. A grape. Hopefully this one doesn't go crazy. An apple. Oh my goodness. Technical difficulties. Okay, and that is all 10 of the people that we surveyed. So we would go through and we'd add up our totals. Apples were 3. Look at their handwriting tool. 3, maybe. Oranges are 4. And grapes are 3. Go ahead and write those in, even though mine are deciding not to do that. And let's talk about our vocabulary words. So our yellow words are the vocabulary words. A survey is when we ask several different people the same question. So just like in our video, they asked, what kind of book is your favorite? Scary, funny, or sports books? And then they would write down, mark a tally mark for each person's answer. Tally marks are the lines that we use to record the information, or to record the answers, and then data is the information that we get. So I can look at this, and this is the data, the information that I have from my survey. Okay, so this one says ask 10 students your favorite season. We are obviously not going to be able to ask 10 students our favorite season, so you get to survey your family or your stuffed animals, and you get to put the tally marks and total these up here. Okay, so you'll ask, the question we're asking is, what is your favorite season? And then when you mark down their responses, you'll make your tally marks, and then we'll put our total here. So I'm going to have you go ahead and do those pages and on my own page, on your own. And feel free to ask your family, ask your pets, ask your stuffed animals, because, you know, we don't have students at school. So good luck, and hopefully you are rocking these tally marks.